welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So today I decided to create this super simple, I don't have a name, but it's super easy to achieve. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, just keep watching. And I just want to say rest in peace to Nipsey Hussle. I have been so affected by this, and I am just I don't even have words to say, but I just send healing energy to his family, loved ones, friends, anyone that was affected by this tragedy. He has definitely like left his mark on me. I feel like as if I knew him personally, and like that's all I've been thinking about for the last 3 days. Like it's like my whole world, I feel like, has like been upside down, and I don't even know this man. But yes, I just moving forward, like I'm just doing things more intentional. Like I feel like I was already doing that, but now like after watching so many videos on him and just like seeing like what he was doing, like just seeing him in his interviews, like he's definitely left his mark on me. And like I am just dedicating like my life to keep his legacy going by just being the best version of myself that I can be. And he's just such a big inspiration to all of us, I feel. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Poppin' motherfuckers. All right, so I'm priming my eye. I always use concealer to prime my eye, and then I'm tapping it in with this Real Technique sponge brush, not sponge. I just have to say that like I'm so like today I'm in a better mood. Like everything, like Nipsey Hussle passing has just affected me in such a way that like it's just insane. And I'm just so fucked up by it. And today like I'm actually feeling better, like well enough to film, you know. But literally like that's all that's been on my mind is him and all that. And it's so unfortunate and so tragic. Like but I am tapping this orange, it's like orange brick from MAC, I don't know what color it is, into my crease. And again, just because there's like concealer below it, you don't want to go in and just start going crazy on that. Like you want to tap first, and then I just buff it all out. And then for all the colors for the rest of this look, I'm using this Morphe Artistry palette. I love these, like they're so cute and compact, and literally like you can create so many looks with them. So I'm probably gonna be buying more of these, but I'm using like, it's another orange in here called Rock Out. And then now I'm taking the Sigma E25 brush. I said I would mention the brushes this time, and I'm using the shade Chocolate Diamond in this palette. And I'm just tapping that into the crease to build up that depth. Like this is such a good brown, man. Like this is one of my favorite browns that I've used. Taking this like pointed brush right here, this is gonna give me more depth in the crease, so when I cut it out it looks super defined. Then I'll just go back with the brush that I used for the orange to make sure that's all, you know, just whoa doing what it's supposed to be doing. Now we're gonna carve out the eyelid, and I'm using this flat brush, the MAC 242, and literally I'm just like patting it and then like tapping and dragging. Ooh. Tapping and dragging. But I'm just going to tap this on the outer V of the eye. So now for my lid color, I'm using Purple Rain. I'm using that only for like the lid. I'm gonna switch brushes when I get closer to like the cut of my eye, the crease of my eye, the cut. Nope. Yeah, now I'm switching and I'm just being more precise with that part. I'm using these bomb ass lashes, Mink by Bink. So I use this no filter primer, what's left of it, the NYX one, and then now I'm using my Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade 356, and I'm about to put y'all on again. I've been putting y'all on this brush. This is the best brush. This LA Colors brush is so bomb. Like, you need it. It's like the flat top kabuki brush. I got mine at this store in Vegas called Dewberry, like, but I'm sure like on their website they should have it. I literally like went back and got like 4 more because it's so like, that's how bomb it is. But I always just like stipple the product into my skin first. And buff it out. For my contour, I'm using the Black Opal foundation stick in Ebony Brown. And what I've been doing is placing like the contour higher on my cheekbone, so when I blend it out, it like falls right into the hollow of my cheek. Because when you do it lower, it just makes it can like start to bring things down, and like the purpose of like is to like, you know, lift the cheekbones up. And I'm using the LA Girl concealer in the shade medium beige. So mad there's so many shadows in my face right now. But I'm just tapping, like literally this brush makes the product just melt so seamlessly into the skin. All right, that's better. So now I'm just gonna start to buff that out. And pat it. And I'm gonna take my foundation brush and then just tap right on top of that. And at the bottom to create that like definition.
Fuck the cash, but you not a hoe. And I'm gonna respect you if your pocket's broke. On your rap sheet, a whole lot of bros.
So I'm using my Black Radiance banana powder, but we're gonna make sure get rid of this creasing first before we set that down. Now I'm using my blush palette from Morphe. This is honestly like my best purchase as of late. And I'm using Hot Queen or Drama Queen, haha, with a Real Technique sponge. Y'all, like the Real Technique sponges are, I mean, why do I keep saying sponge? The brushes are, they're so bomb, like, oh my God. Favorite highlights, it's my Wet n Wild one. It doesn't even have a name, but it's so bomb. The color of it is literally perfect. I'm so annoying because I said I would do a new lip color, but that day is just not today. Like, it's just not. It's not today. I'm using Club Hopper from NYX. This is the Makeup Shayla times ColourPop lip gloss. Oh, it's so bomb. Oh, I love it. How can I do anything else when this lip looks like this? Okay, so I need to take my hair down and then we'll be back.